Most of the time you get an accessory just to do a job and make your life easier. Sometimes it's nice to get one that does that, but also just looks really cool. So this really is a nice to have accessory as opposed to a must have accessory. Very nice packaging as usual. Note that it's not made by DJI, but it's sold on the DJI website and clearly is designed to work with the DJI Mavic Mini. And that literally is it. Dome. So here's what you get for your money. The charging dome, micro USB lead and a mini instruction manual. Very easy to miss one key point. There's also the magnetic little dongle that actually sits there. It's quite easy to think that you're supposed to shove your drone onto the actual dongle like that, but that's not how this works. It's far more intelligent. It's actually a little magnet. So the idea is that you actually plug the USB dongle into the Mini. And to be honest, it's pretty fiddly to get out. So I think the idea is that you're just going to leave it in there. Now, I've tried weighing this and my digital scales were registering around 1 gram extra. So I think in the grand scheme of things, you could argue, oh, you're putting an accessory on and you're taking the weight of the drone over 250 grams. Well, if this is 249 grams and this is 1 gram, then what's a single gram between friends? Either way, the idea is pretty simple enough. You leave that on and you literally just sit it on like that. Now, magic comes when you start charging it up. The idea is that if you can think of this just like a USB extension lead really, you have to use the mains charger that comes with your Mavic Mini. Sadly, they don't give you the longest of cables. I think considering this is going to sit on a desk or something, it would have been nice if they'd given you a longer cable, but I think the idea as well is that it still uses the fast charging capability, so I guess maybe they were limited in their length of cable. And there you go. Put it on and you can be mesmerised by the slow pulsing light. The light pulses as it's charging up, and then once it's actually fully charged, you do have a little switch at the back and you can turn it off or just leave it ticking over and the light will stay solid if the battery is fully charged. And if I turn it round, you can see from the speed of the charging lights on the battery that it is still using the fast charge. So just as if you were plugging it straight into the mains charger, batteries are going to take about 1.5 to 2 hours to charge up. Next time you want to go and fly your Mavic Mini, off you go. So to me, this is very much one of those nice to have accessories. It's too easy to let all of your drone equipment turn into an almighty mess on the shelves. And I don't know, sometimes there's something very nice about having something that's so simplistic and elegant sitting on a shelf and literally just basically saying, yep, I fly drones and it looks pretty cool. And that really is all you can say to it. It's a bit of cool fun. If you've got the combo and you've got the 3 batteries, you are going to still need to rotate the batteries, otherwise you're going to be wearing one out. But no doubt in my mind, I mean, 40 quid, what's that? A couple of takeaway meals. But you know, it's good fun, well made, and looks pretty cool. So that's pretty much all I've got to say on this. Very happy I got it. Now that it's in stock, I'll put some links down below. That's it. Nice short one today, as ever. Till next time, have fun, happy flying.